But you're a cat.
A Cheshire Cat.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a cat makeup look. Well, the Cheshire Cat, or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. Alice in Wonderland cat. So I had a dream a few days ago that I was doing the makeup for this cat thing, and I was like, oh, that would be a pretty fun, makeup tutorial to do, or makeup look. And so that's what we're doing today. I did Google a picture of it because I guess there's different versions of it. There's like the cartoon version, and there's the one from the movie with Johnny Depp, which actually I haven't seen it. Like, I've seen some of it, but I haven't seen the whole thing. So maybe I should watch it. Maybe I should have watched it before I even do this. But no, this will be fun. I'll do this one first, and then I'll watch the movie, and I'm super excited. So I found a super cool reference picture, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna see if I can make myself look like this cat. So I guess I'll kind of make it look like a floating head type thing. I don't have a white background today. I have my black one, so let's get started. Okay, so today I'm gonna be using my Mayron, right there, my Mayron makeup palette, which is like a water-based colors. I don't know how to do face painting. I've only ever done Pop Art Zombie. If you haven't checked out that video, check it out right here. It's actually really cool. It's my favorite one that I did, and it took so damn long to make that video that my camera died. So hopefully it doesn't take that long today because I do have a birthday I have to go to. But we are going to start. So these are the colors. You can see how little I've used them. Let me see if I can show you. Oh! This cat is like purple and blue. I think I want to incorporate some pinks in it too, maybe. I want to start with like a light purple and just put that all over my face, and then do some shading, do some brush strokes maybe, paint the eyes, the mouth, and that's it. Sounds so simple, right? Hopefully it doesn't take forever. So let's start with the purple. You know what? I just realized that I need to draw the mouth here and the eyes here, so I should probably map out where I'm going to put everything before I put the purple everywhere. Okay, hold on. I need to wash this off. Whew. Okay, let's try this again. So, let me see. What am I going to map this out with? I'm going to take a smaller brush, and let's map it out with black. The nose will go kind of here. I think I can just paint around the eyes. I'm not going to map it out right now. I think the mouth is the most important thing. Now let's try this again. Alright, I have this brush right here. Oh, I'm going to show you my brush set actually. So I just got these on Amazon. I can't remember how much they were, maybe like 13 bucks or something like that. I can go ahead and link it down below, so that way if you want to buy these things, you can. This is what I have. It's worked good so far. So, I don't have any complaints. I definitely need a better way to store them though, because they keep falling out of these things. The truth unfolds, our naked souls. 1 second can make us work with broken parts. Okay, so the more water that you use, the less, it's more opaque right here because I used more water, and then here, right there, you can see that it's a lot more like even and pigmented, which makes sense, so you just kind of have to play around with the ratio a little bit. Okej, den har blivit skickad nu. Utropstecken. My talk to text could not understand my dialect. I'm too southern. I'm a Swedish redneck. Okay, so now that we have that done, I think I'm going to do maybe the eyes first. And then, yeah, I'm gonna do the eyes first, and then the nose, and then the mouth, and then the shading and little like hair strokes if I can figure that out. Okay, cool. So for the purple, I used this one right here. And for the blue, I think I'm gonna do this one right here. So I guess I'll have the paint on top of my eyebrow. Okay, cool. So while that blue dries, I'm gonna fill in the purple around the eye. Okay, so I think before I line the eyes with the black and do the pupil, I'm going to do a little bit of shading because it looks like it's a little bit like highlighted on like below to make it look 3D. So let's do that. I'm gonna pick up maybe like a dense brush like this. I got these brushes forever ago on Amazon. Like, so you can see they're so worn out from me cleaning them and stuff, but I had someone ask me to talk about my brushes, but literally I just get like the cheapest shit I can find. Okay, so I'm taking a white eyeshadow and just kind of going on the bottom of the eye to lighten it up.
Long as I got a hand to hold, 1 minute it's worth the sweat and go. 'Cause if I'm alone, it means I'm going nowhere.
This is like right on my waterline almost. Maybe I put some black eyeshadow there. I'll do that later. Okay, so it looks like he has it kind of like winged out. He has like a wing. That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna draw a little bit of a wing and then I can smoke it out later when I do my shadow. Okay, so we're going for a cat eye look today. Is that wing on fleek? Oh my god. I can't. Alright, so it needs to look more catty. Hold on, let me see if I can do like a little inside thing here, like what he has. I don't think I can connect the nose to it though, because I'm human. My nose is lower than his. Okay, I always hold my breath while I do this. It's like I have to come up for air every once in a while. Okay, one more. Okay, I guess that's the best I can get it right now. My eyelids are so small. I have to do this because otherwise it keeps like, it gets everywhere. Okay, let's do the little nose. Let's see if I can find a pink here. So I have this pink right here, and I think I'm gonna use that. It looks like it's a lighter pink in the picture, but you know, who cares? I do what I want to do. I'm gonna take the same small brush and just fill in my nose. Okay, let's move on to the mouth. Let's make all of the teeth and everything. Which is so tedious. I hate this part. Alright, now we need to fill in the gap with black. Oh my god, it's so hard to do the side of the mouth because I can't see that far. So like my eyes start hurting when I try to look that far back. Alright, we're getting somewhere. Whoop, whoop. Now that I officially look like a psychopath, let's go ahead and start the shading. So I'm gonna start with the lightest first, just to kind of like get some shading in, and then I'll do the little stripes with shadow, and then I'll do it with paint as well, because I do have a darker purple that I want to use. So what have you guys been doing during this whole quarantine? What are you doing to keep yourself sane and not constantly bored? I'm actually genuinely curious what people are doing. I mean, I feel like a lot of people are just, you know, they're spending a lot of time online, you know, YouTube and social media and all kinds of stuff. I have been, you know, spending a lot of time making music, which I'm so happy about. And thank you so much for all of the nice compliments and support with my first ever single, which I'm so excited about. Oh my God. I know I keep saying that I'm so excited and it's probably getting boring at this point, but I really am. Like, it has been such a big dream of mine to make music. So yeah, even though we're going through a really tough time right now, I'm very happy with the fact that I've gotten to do what I love to do. And of course, I've been obsessing over YouTube. I mean, I've always been a YouTube junkie. So there's that. I always watch, you know, makeup videos and educational videos as far as like video editing go, or music production and things like that, you know, since I am trying to learn how to do the music production myself. But there's two channels in particular that I have just been so obsessed with, and I've been watching them like constantly. Well, one at least, because he uploads like every day. So he has like a million videos. The first one is Brad Mondo, and he has a hair channel. He like hairdresser reacts. And he gives a lot of useful tips and stuff. I mean, I don't do my own hair anymore. Now I actually pay money to get my hair done. But he's just so entertaining to watch. I love that guy. He's just such a happy person, it seems like, at least on camera. And I love when he's like, oh, hey, beautiful, in the beginning, and I'm just laying in bed with no makeup on, just looking absolutely disgusting and mostly homeless. And I'm like, oh, do you think I'm beautiful still? No, I love him. He's awesome. The other one I've been obsessed with is Roomy Official. And he uploads a lot of music content and commentary videos and things like that. So he's really entertaining to watch too, because, you know, his editors are freaking awesome. The way they edit is just very entertaining, because they have like green screens and they just do a lot of funny stuff. I love it. And he's actually Swedish, which I didn't know at first. I heard an accent, but I couldn't tell what type of accent it was, which is weird, because I can usually pick up a Swedish accent super easy, you know, since I grew up with it. And I even picked up the area in Sweden that he's from. But yeah, anyways, he's really fun, so check him out. Both of them, they're freaking awesome. I used to watch Jaclyn Hill all the time too, but she literally never uploads anymore. Well, she did the other day, actually. I did watch that one. I don't even know if the shading is doing anything at this point. Alright, so I'm just going to take the same brush, and I'm going to go in with like the really dark purple. Again, I know I've been using Jaclyn's palette like for everything. She just has gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors in here. I'm doing Not My Journey, which is this one right here. So yeah, I'm just taking that color, and I'm going to start kind of shading down, like doing the stripes, and then I'm going to add paint on top of it. Okay, I think I want to add some pink as well, so I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do Heart On, not Heart On, Heart On. Okay, I think I'm done with the shading right now. I want to see if I can create some brush strokes, kind of. Oh my god, these damn brushes keep falling out. Okay, so I think either this brush or this brush is going to emulate brush strokes the most. So I'm going to swap them on my arm and see which one is gonna work best. This one right here, whoop, this one right here is with the thicker brush. This one right here is with this brush. They're pretty similar, but it looks like the one on the bottom, which is the smaller brush, is a little bit lighter. So I'd rather use that and just layer instead of accidentally putting on too much paint. So I'm gonna take the dark shade. I'm gonna take the dark purple, which is right there. Ooh, can you see it? Can you see it? I don't know how to do this. And I'm gonna put it like kind of where I started doing the shading for the lines. Okay, so I think I'm going to just draw the whiskers. And then I need to finish up the neck. And then I think we're done. Ooh, this is fun. Look at me. I look so crazy. Floating head.